Welcome, dreamers and doers, to a journey through the mind of one of the most profound mystical teachers of the 20th century, Neville Goddard, a man who believed that the human imagination could unlock the very fabric of reality to manifest our deepest desires. It was during the transformative period of the 1930s through the 1970s when Goddard shared his revolutionary principles, revealing that time and space are but a canvas for the imagination. But what exactly is this fulfilled desire? It is the art and science of manifesting dreams, the profound truth that our innermost thoughts can become our outermost realities. And why, you might ask, is this understanding vital to you? Because mastering the key to fulfilled desire can open the door to a life where your aspirations are not just distant dreams but lived experiences. Join us as we unlock the secret to turning your dreams into your everyday life, following the timeless wisdom of Neville Goddard. Whether you're familiar with Neville's teachings or are just embarking on the path of manifestation, this guide is your stepping stone to a life transformed by the power of fulfilled desire. Let's begin. Born in Barbados in 1905, Neville Goddard traveled to America to chase a theatrical dream, only to discover his true calling as a spiritual teacher. His lectures and books from the 1930s to 1970s encapsulate a lifetime dedicated to unlocking the law of attraction. Goddard's philosophy hinges on the concept that the imagination is God within humans. He proposed that reality is a reflection of our mental states, and by changing these, we alter our reality. The principles are simple yet profound. Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Use your imagination to see it clearly. Believe in its reality, and live as if it is already true. By adopting these tenets, you align yourself with your desires, allowing them to manifest in the physical world. Neville's methods don't just aim to bring about external changes, they seek to transform the self from within. Dear viewers, if you are enjoying this video so far, do support us by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our notifications so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The foundation of manifestation, according to Goddard 1, the power of imagination. Neville Goddard taught that the imagination is not mere fantasy, but a divine force within each individual. It's the creative power that can shape reality. To harness this power, one must first recognize its presence and potential. Imagine with purpose and clarity, for the images you impress upon your mind can set the blueprint for what is to come in your physical world. 2. Embracing the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Feeling is the secret, Goddard professed. To manifest, you must feel the emotion of your wish as if it's already fulfilled. It's more than mere positive thinking. It's an embodied belief that your desire is an existing fact. This emotional engagement acts as a powerful signal to the subconscious, mobilizing the mind to bring forth your aspirations, compelling action, and inviting the transformation of wishful thought into tangible presence. 3. The importance of living in the end. Living in the end is to live your life based on the conviction that your desire is already fulfilled. It's not hopeful anticipation, it's assured knowing. Goddard insists that this is the key to manifestation. If you conduct your daily affairs as though your dream is already a reality, you collapse the distance between your current state and your desired one. This principle is vital because it aligns your beliefs, actions, and the world's response to them, crafting a life congruent with your visions. It's a commitment to reside in the state of the outcome, not the process of getting there. Step-by-step guide to fulfilled desire. 1. Clarifying your desire. To set the stage for fulfillment, clarity of desire is essential. Define what you truly want, not just fleeting whims, but heartfelt aspirations. This specificity becomes the target of your focus. Write it down, craft a vivid picture with words, and ensure that it resonates with your core values and higher purpose. Ask yourself, why do I want this? And how will it improve my life? Such introspection transforms vague yearnings into crystallized intentions, providing a clear direction for your imaginative efforts and energy. 2. Employing visualization techniques. With your desire well defined, enter the workshop of the mind through visualization. Construct scenes in your imagination where your wish is already fulfilled. Employ all senses to enrich the experience. Savor the tastes, bask in the sounds, revel in the tactile sensations. Regular practice, especially before sleep, imprints these scenarios onto the subconscious. Make it a ritual. Find a quiet space, relax your body, and let your creative mind build the reality you seek. The consistency of this practice reinforces the existence of your desire in the unseen realm, readying it for materialization. Cultivating the feeling of already having your desire. The cornerstone of Goddard's method is to nurture the feeling of the wish fulfilled. After visualization, emerge with the warmth of satisfaction, as though what you want is already yours. Carry this feeling into your daily life. Let it permeate your actions and interactions, infusing your demeanor with the confidence and contentment of having received. This isn't mere make-believe. It's a profound alignment of your emotional state with the reality you're manifesting. It's about creating an internal environment that's so richly imbued with your desire that the external world can't help but reflect it. Sustaining belief and dealing with doubts. Sustaining belief amidst a sea of doubts is a vital discipline in manifesting. Doubt is natural, but it can also be a signal to reaffirm your faith. When skepticism surfaces, acknowledge it, but redirect your focus to your belief in the wish fulfilled. Use affirmations that reinforce your vision and recall moments of past success to bolster your confidence. This practice isn't about denying reality, but about choosing which reality to invest your energy and belief in. The path of manifestation is a journey of perseverance. Each step taken in faith is a step closer to your realized dream. Real-life applications. Across the globe, many have turned their lives around using Goddard's methods. There's the artist who visualized her work in a prestigious gallery. Months later, her first solo exhibit sold out. Or the entrepreneur who felt the success of his business before it launched. Now, he heads a thriving company. These testimonials aren't just tales of success. They are affirmations of the power of fulfilled desire. They serve as evidence that when you align your imaginative and emotional faculties with your intent, the once impossible becomes possible. Such stories turn into hope and encouragement for others, lighting the path for others to follow. To weave Goddard's teachings into the fabric of your daily life, start small. Use idle moments for visualization during your morning shower or the evening commute. Turn these into opportunities to reinforce your desired reality. Keep a journal, not only to outline your aspirations, but to note any signs of their unfolding. Practice gratitude as if your desires are already met, which tunes your spirit into the frequency of receiving. Lastly, end each day by assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled. As you drift to sleep, let your last thoughts be of living within the reality you've created in your imagination. Such persistent mindful practices lay down the stepping stones to your dreams. Overcoming common obstacles in manifestation. 1. Dealing with negative thoughts. Negative thoughts can be persistent intruders on the path to manifestation. Goddard acknowledged their presence but advised not to dwell on them. When such thoughts arise, shift your focus. Engage in an activity that uplifts you, or consciously replace the negative thought with a positive one related to your wish fulfilled. Visualization can also be a sanctuary. Retreat into the detailed world where your desires live. Remember, every thought is a brushstroke on the canvas of your reality. Choose the colors of optimism and faith and paint over the gray of negativity. This doesn't remove the challenge, but transforms it into a contrasting backdrop that highlights your commitment to your vision. 2. Persisting despite lack of immediate evidence. In the world of manifestation, evidence of success may not be immediately visible. Patience here is not passive waiting, but an active affirmation of trust in the unseen. Reaffirm your belief by daily meditation on your desired outcome, reinforcing the state of having received. Reflect on past achievements to remember that many successes weren't visible until they were fully realized. Neville Goddard encouraged living in the end, so act as if your desire is already manifesting. This state of knowing keeps the flame of your vision alive, burning away the fog of doubt. Persistence in this practice is the bridge between the world of imagination and the reality of physical experience, enhancing your manifestation practice. 1. Incorporating affirmations and meditations. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your manifestation goals. They are seeds of belief planted in the fertile ground of the subconscious. Repeat them with conviction and frequency. Meditation complements this by creating a tranquil mind, receptive to the whispers of intuition and the nuances of your visualized reality. Dedicate moments of stillness to ponder on the feeling of your wish fulfilled. This combination acts as a daily tuning, aligning your inner frequency with the melody of your desires. One may wonder, is this all about wishful thinking? No, it's about wishful feeling and disciplined imagining. Do I act on my desires, or will they manifest on their own? Action is often the bridge between the inner and outer worlds. Inspired action should follow your visualizations. How long does manifestation take? It varies. Time is a product of persistence, belief, and the nature of the desire. Does this work for negative desires? Goddard warned against this, as it's out of alignment with the universal law of love and often backfires. Embrace these teachings with a spirit of goodwill and a heart aligned with your truest intentions, and you'll set the stage for positive outcomes. As you embark on this journey of fulfillment, remember that every master was once a beginner. Let Neville Goddard's teachings guide you, but also trust your unique path. Embrace the unfolding of your desires with joy and gratitude. Know that with each step, with each visualization and emotion felt, you are weaving the fabric of your destiny. Keep your faith unwavering and your actions aligned, and you'll witness the blossoming of desires that once existed only in the heart of your imagination. Start today. Take that first step towards manifesting your dreams. Embrace Neville Goddard's wisdom and unlock the potential that resides within you. Imagine, feel, and live your desired reality. Your journey to fulfillment is just a thought away. Let your imagination be the canvas and your life the masterpiece. And as we draw this journey to a close, remember that each day is a fresh canvas, a new opportunity to paint your dreams into existence. If you found inspiration in the teachings of Neville Goddard, if you feel the stirrings of a dream ready to take flight, then let's keep this momentum going together. Dear Cosmic Souls, if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to stay connected and join a community of dreamweavers and reality shapers just like you. Hit the like button if you're ready to transform your imagination into manifestation. And don't forget to ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on the chance to deepen your understanding and refine your practice. Together, let's unlock the power of fulfilled desire and watch as the once imagined becomes wonderfully real. Your desires are awaiting. Embrace them with open arms and an open heart. Until next time, keep believing, keep visualizing, and keep creating. The world is yours to manifest.